Let's learn ABC with good habits every day. A is for always say please. B is for brush your teeth. C is for clean up toys. D is for drink water, please. ABC, good habits every day. ABC, learn and play. ABC, follow me. Good habits make us happy. E is for eat healthy food. F is for follow the rules. G is for greet with a smile. H is for help all the while. ABC, good habits every day. ABC, learn and play. ABC, follow me. Good habits make us happy. I is for inside voice, please. J is for jump and exercise. K is for keep hands clean. L is for listen carefully. Clap your hands, turn around. Good habits make a happy sound. N is for mind your manners. N is for no hitting friends. O is for obey your parents. P is for put toys back. ABC, good habits every day. ABC, learn and play. ABC, follow me. Good habits make us happy. Q is for quiet